PKvalve, the first and the largest industrial valve manufacturer in Korea. Equipped with the world's top-class integrated production process and skilled manpower. Firmly secured as the world's best casting technology and quality competitiveness, as well as a high value-added product portfolio. Exporting to over 70 countries globally through partnerships with major global customers. Going beyond the boundary of Korea, PKvalve is growing as a top player in the world. PKvalve is the unchallenged leader in the high value-added valve industry. Company status. Since the inception in 1946, PKvalve has been manufacturing industrial valves for more than 65 years to this day, opening the past, present, and future of the valve industry in Korea. As a main business, PKvalve produces and ships industrial valves to major EPCC and oil companies around the world, thereby achieving a sustainable growth into the future. In addition, under the leadership of CEO Han-gun Park, PKvalve provides the best quality to customers all over the world, leveraging the company's extensive know-how and technological leadership. Company milestones. PKvalve was established in 1946. In 1974, PKvalve became the first company to move its facilities and plants to the Changwon Industrial Complex. And in 1981, the company was selected as a specialized enterprise for power plant installation, thus laying a foundation of the valve industry in Korea. Due to the bankruptcy of the parent company Hung-ah Shipping, PKvalve filed for court receivership in 1985. In the midst of difficulties, the company continued its efforts to advance technologies and successfully produced the first cryogenic valve in Korea in 1986. In 1994, the company's Annex Research Institute was established. In 1998, PKvalve exited from court receivership that lasted for the past 13 years. With a stronger internal stability, PKvalve was listed as a valve manufacturer of Saudi Aramco, the world's largest oil manufacturer, and has been awarded the Tower of $30 million export in 2005, thereby achieving a stable growth. In 2011, PKvalve is continuing transition into a sustainable company, shipping the world's largest 88-inch gate valve and completing the construction of Material R&D Center. Production infrastructure status. PKvalve boasts the industry's leading production capacity, with a production capacity of 12,000 tons per year to produce 80,000 industrial valves annually. PKvalve is a sole company in Korea with vertically integrated processes for valve production. The company maintains and manages the best quality in the industry while operating its own casting plants, labs, and testing facilities to lay a foundation for the competitiveness in the global market. Securing quality competitiveness and customer overview. Under the management philosophy of credibility first, PKvalve places great importance on quality management. As a result of this effort, the company has acquired a variety of certifications, including ASME, NNPT, and KEPIC, the mentioned certificates required for the production of nuclear valves, as well as ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and CE. Based on unrivaled quality competitiveness, PKvalve has captured not only major EPCC at home and abroad, but also major oil companies, thus continuously reinforcing market dominance all over the world. In addition, PKvalve holds the Valve Academy every year in order to make a contribution for the development of the valve industry and to promote relationships with clients. Many successful references, major projects. It is no exaggeration to say that the history of PKvalve is the history of successful major projects, from oil and petrochemical to onshore and offshore plants, gas and LNG terminal, and nuclear power plants. PKvalve is supplying valves of various applications to more than 70 countries around the world, thus building many successful references. In 2007, through a unique 3D modeling technology, PKvalve overcame the limitation of conventional valve technology and successfully produced 76-inch gate valves. In 2011, PKvalve successfully developed and supplied the world's largest 88-inch gate valve with a weight of 50.3 tons and height of 10.5 meters, marking an epoch in the industry. In addition, PKvalve plans to develop high value-added products such as nuclear valves and LNG cryogenic valves by leveraging on the company's unique technological know-how. Going forward, PKvalve will secure a share of the new market and develop new growth engines. Sound financial structure. PKvalve has secured a sound financial structure by maintaining a stable current ratio and a low debt ratio. The current ratio amounted to 250% in 2010, well above the industry average as well as the entire industry average, while the debt ratio remained at a low level of 45.8%. Mid and long-term business strategy. As a mid-long-term business strategy, PKvalve aims to maintain leading positions in the market by securing high value-added product portfolios. In addition, PKvalve will realize economy of scale by newly constructing Plant Number 2 while expanding capacity in Plant Number 1 in order to expand overall production capacity. Never one to be complacent, PKvalve will also develop high-performance valves through continuous development of technology and quality management, and expand global networks by improving marketing capabilities. Through these efforts, PKvalve will cement the leading position in the valve industry. Continuous development of technology. Technological development is the driving force behind the competitiveness of PKvalve in the global market. Successfully developing high-temperature, high-pressure, and cryogenic valves, PKvalve continues to improve product competitiveness by developing high-performance valves and by pursuing stabilization of technology. In particular, PKvalve is accelerating the development of high-value-added valves, such as cryogenic and marine ball valves, in order to penetrate new markets and secure new growth engines. Equipped with differentiated product competitiveness and industry-leading production capacity, PKvalve will continue efforts to acquire global customers in order to further improve core competency. Taking a leap as a true global player through maximization of sales and profitability. We will achieve 500 billion Korean won in sales in 2020 and realize the world's top-class position to become the global leader in industrial valve production. Thank you.